record! Hello, everybody. I'm recording. Oh my god. Yeah.
Put a window.
Where's my class items? I forgot I'm werewolf. I got like 67 bonds last time and I bought werewolf, guys.
I have an egg.
Every 2 minutes he lays an egg. You can open the egg, right? What's happening? Did you already lay an egg?
Yes.
Oh my god. Yay.
I will have children that will become an army. I'm like a queen.
Can you pick the people that you laid egg?
I'm like a ant queen or ant king.
Ant?
Lays egg. To have an army.
6, 7.
Ngayon, I know the way to have aimbot. When it's as egg slinging up class that I'm going to be using and you need to hatch an outlaw. And when your outlaw dies, if your outlaw dies, you can sell it.
Why do you say eyes? I'm getting this miner helmet so I can see in the dark. And now I have $0. Okay.
We have wolves.
I have a wolf too! I'm a wolf! Can you pick them up? Oh, come on! Where's your other train?
Oh no, chill, I forgot to put my cattle car.
Oh,
Please, Pete,
let's rejoin! Did you leave already?
Yes.
Oh my god! Why did you forget to put on your cattle car? How much does cattle car cost again? 250 bonds? 250? Dang. 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 6, 6, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 6, 6, 6, 7, 6, 6, 7, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 7, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 7, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 7.
You're recording, bro.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Oh my god, we joined the same server with Shedletsky, bro. Did you put on your cattle car? Did you put on your cattle car?
Yes, chill.
Good boy. You're such a good boy. Yeah, you're a good boy.
You're recording, bro. Just get it already.
Run. You see my head? Can you see my head? Can you see my head? We have 2 different heads. Our heads are different. Can you see out of that eggshell, bro?
What?
Can you see outside that eggshell?
Yes.
You like that one guy from K-pop Demon Hunters with like mystery? The one that has the hair going to his eyes? You know? You lay an egg already, bro. Lay an egg.
Already did.
You already did lay an egg?
Yes.
Oh my god. Why did you lay an egg?
To start my army?
Oh, we're not doing an army.
Why did I hatch it again?
What did you open?
2 wolves.
Again?
Yes.
Can you attack them? Get bandages, bro. Get bandages. Get bandages.
Hey, chill.
Good boy. You're such a good boy. You're a good boy.
You forgot to put
What? Yeah, I'm a werewolf.
Then my cousin has egg sleeper. Last time we played, we had like a 2-piece doubled army.
Oh.
We had one of the huge army in the girls.
I wish there's a miner. Later I'm gonna save up for a miner helmet. Thank you. Okay, you go ride. Ride, you good boy.
Yeah, do a field though.
Oh yeah.
Don't lose the wolves, please.
Okay, let me keep watch of them. Can I get on top?
You need to be down here to keep watch them, remember?
How are you gonna see? I will watch them. One fell down! I'm kidding. Again? Fire desert? Wait a minute, Manonggab. Why are the cactuses on fire?
The fire desert.
Nata.
You forgot the eggs. The eggs will hatch. Where's my eggs?
You put the eggs up there?
Oh my god! I forgot. If you hatch an egg, it will automatically yield. Let's forget the eggs there. No, don't touch it.
Why?
Still in its nest.
If you unwield it, it will hatch. I
No.
think. Wait, Manonggab. I think a wolf fell down.
No. Did not fell down. The wolf's dancing, bro. Look behind you.
Where? Oh, I see it now. He's dancing. I thought he fell down. I think there's a house near us.
Bro, I like large,
Stop!
I like large eggs because you can spawn freaking werewolves that freaking mutated, bro.
You mean a werewolf? A mutated one?
Yo, come here, Jimmy. Let's go.
Name them. Can you pick them up? Ka-chow! Ka-chow!
Ayun! Horse! Yeah, come here!
Ka-chow! Help! I need uppies, mommy. Die! Let's name them Timmy and Dingus.
I'm going first. Come on, Tarion.
Come on.
Tarion, look at me. Bye-bye, Tarion. I'm running, Jimmy.
Where are
I'm
you?
having a trip.
Are you already first?
No.
Where are you?
Tarion, look around you.
I see you flying.
Come here, Jimmy. You're coming with me.
Does
Jimmy's following me, like, he's following me.
They follow you?
Yes.
Okay, let me unstore all the fuel I
Bro,
have.
there's a dog chasing me. Yeah. There's a dog chasing me. Look. There's a dog chasing me. Tarion.
Manonggab!
Dog chasing me.
We have no fuel! Did you look? Let's steal a house that has fuel inside. Can you be serious now?
Come on, Jimmy. Follow me.
Jimmy? And the other one should be Dingus.
Bro, he's following me. Look.
Manonggab, I want the other one to be named Dingus.
Neighbors.
Stop!
Fall, bro.
Huh?
I will leave you, Jimmy. I'm
Manonggab? I mean Blade? Can you be, I have something to tell you. Can you be my first subscriber? Please.
I'm already your first subscriber.
You didn't subscribe to me yet. I'm gonna unwield it if I'm gonna unwield the egg.
Tarion, you didn't pick up the eggs earlier.
The where?
The eggs earlier. You didn't pick up.
I need to timer 2 minutes. I will see. Where do you normally lay the eggs? Wait, hold on. I'm behind the train.
At the roof.
At the roof?
Yes. The eggs lay up.
Yeah, I'll see if the eggs spawn and then I'll weld them. Should I weld it?
No, it will automatically weld, so you keep watching it when you go for it. Yeah,
Oh.
there's one there. I heard one. Is there one?
Let me see on the roof.
On the roof!
I can't get up on the roof. I can barely see. Oh, I'm double health, Manonggab, because it's nighttime. The wolf is kind of moving me. What's happening?
Barley, you're fighting your brother, Jimmy. Please protect the tree. There's the second egg.
There's no egg.
Where's this? Bro, I heard one!
Oh, there's a zombie. Don't worry, my damage will be doubled and then those guys will fight and then... No! A werewolf is dying! No, the wolf is dead!
No one dare.
Now there's even more behind you.
We need to find that egg right now.
We're being invaded by zombies.
We need that egg so bad.
There's a runner. Oh my damage! Oh my god, Manong Gab. I do so much damage. Oh my god, I do a lot of damage, Manong Gab. Because I'm werewolf, remember? Let me just kill him. Get the other bandage. Get the other one.
Get that.
Why?
We need it because you're dying.
I will not die because I'm werewolf. Look, I killed the wolf in I killed the werewolf, zombie in 3 shots. I'm never gonna die. Ow! I'm a werewolf.
Is it under the train or something? Where's my egg? Please, please.
I don't know. It's not even in the.
My egg dropped.
Oh no!
Pick my egg up, please.
I can't pick it up.
Yeah, pick my egg.
It's gonna hatch if you weld it. Be careful.
Where's my egg?
It may hatch, Manong Gab. It may hatch.
No, there's a button that I don't hatch it. There.
I want to hatch those.
Okay, it's done.
Wait, hold on. Let me get on top of the train so I can keep watch of the eggs. There's 2 eggs. I'm gonna turn on my volume so I can hear the eggs. I'm also gonna hire my voice. What? Is this the weld sound again, like metal? Perfect time. There's a doctor. Go! No, no, no! Stop moving. Let me loot this for fuel.
Oh, leave your room. Timmy, I got to play eat food. We don't have enough eggs to have an army go.
Oh, snake oil. Get the other snake oil. Get the other snake oil. Oh, the egg just welled. Egg just. Egg just. Was that an egg? Was that an egg?
Where?
I heard a. Boop.
No.
Maybe it's just your on store. Oh, there's a lot of bandages. I don't even need bandages anymore. I already have a lot. Do you have no fuel?
I'm hatching the eggs. Be quiet, okay? I'm hatching the eggs.
6, 7, 6, 7.
Yes, we got one more egg.
We got one more egg. Let's hatch them. Let's hatch them.
Not yet.
Oh, we have no fuel. Okay, I barely got the fuel up. What are we doing?
Hatching the eggs in the town.
How about
Go to the... Oh! Egg drop.
Yeah.
Give me that.
Manong God, let's raid the town at nighttime so I have extra damage.
Yeah, I hatched the eggs.
Yeah. Let me get the train towards the town so I can loot everything in the town.
Ayun.
Is that a bank with 1 town? What's that? A town with 1
I
bank?
will trigger so many eggs for this train.
What?
I will trigger this so many eggs for this train.
We need to be very quiet. Train, be quiet. I think this is close enough. What time is it? It's 12 a.m.
We're gonna prepare, okay?
Don't make any sound, okay? Oh, that sound, it goes hard, right? Oh, dang it. Huh? I can't pick them up, remember? I want to jump on them. Do they? It will be my time to shine at night.
Come on, you step right there.
Come on, I'm too fast. Can I punch one zombie?
No!
Why, it will wake up the entire town? Oh, there's a lot of zombies next to me. If I have a rifle at night, I'm unstoppable, right? If I have a rifle at night, I'm unstoppable. Oh God, those zombies that are alive. There's a minor zombie. Yes, there's one. What if I wake up one zombie to wake up the entire town?
No. If you see a sheriff and a miner,
The bomb?
I'm running up.
Come on, what's the big deal? I have a holy water here. If they wake up, it's fine. We just...
If it's not, you don't need to shine yet because you need to wait till you are mutated.
I stole every single jewelry in there. Okay. Almost woke up one zombie. The minor zombies at this house. The one over here. The purple one next to the police. So lay your eggs very slowly, okay? Okay, let's share jewelry, unstore, and drop. How do I get mutated? Egg. What is my... Okay. Oh, I'm super fast. I'm super fast even though I'm not even sprinting. It's my time to shine, Manunggab. Manong, it's officially my time to shine. I can kill zombies in like one shot. Be careful at that purple house because Don't worry! Oh yeah! Warriors, I have the big code in my sock, by the way. Don't worry. Oh, there's more? Wait, hold on. I need to heal. I need to heal, Dane.
My guilty name, Jimmy. There's no auto to spawn.
Huh?
No auto spawn.
Yeah, but there's a minor one. I saw a minor one in the purple house.
What?
Egg? Hatch it. We're gonna have to hatch it. Oh my god! It's a werewolf! Ow! Is it our ally? Oh yeah!
Oh!
Is it daytime?
Yeah, someone to protect us.
Oh yeah! Come here, werewolf! We're gonna name you Timmy 2.0! For real! Timmy's final form, right?
Yes.
Oh, I thought that I always... Let's share the bank code, Manunggab. Let's share the bank. Manong! Share the bank. Does he follow you?
I need to kill that dog.
Okay, where are we? Does he follow you? Does he follow you? Okay, let's go to the bank.
He's protecting us.
Let's go to the bank. I have the code.
He was trying to enter on private property.
Okay, let me do this.
He is protecting us behind us.
Two.
Bro, this ends giving us stone.
For real. That's kind of scary.
We have all gunpowder.
That's kind of scary. That sounds kind of scary.
Oh my god.
Okay,
One gold, we have one silver and one gold.
one silver, one gold. We're gonna have. Do you get the gold? I'll just get the silver. I already have a quick
Oh my god, I
fix.
thought it was really good.
Hey, where are we? Where are we? I mean, Timmy. Timmy. That's. I don't know. He's exploring the bay. Timmy.
One more egg hatch.
Timmy.
Timmy, take care of your brothers here.
Timmy. Oh, he follows me. He follows me. Don't worry. He follows me, Manonggab.
Timmy, take care of your brothers here.
Manonggab, it's okay you took the gold because I already had a crucifix.
Yeah.
Do we loot the coal? In the town?
That is the hole.
Where do we... How do you get...
I'll get the gold because he was following me.
Yeah.
Hey, Timmy, that be
Can I kill Timmy?
No!
Yeah, he's our biggest ally, right?
Yes, he's my biggest brother.
Manunggab, imagine you hatch a crocodile. It's gonna be so fast. Timmy, what are you doing? Get everything that's used for fuel. Oh, someone killed the miner zombie. Well, is that all the coal? What's this? It's a bottle? This bottle?
Kasi got the bottle, maybe this one. Unicorn.
I'm dropping all the water from it.
Let's go.
I'm dropping the water from the glass.
Daryl, how to open the thing?
Oh, I accidentally throw it.
How to open the lucky block?
Why are you playing, Mike? You need to place it.
Look, Daryl, it means I hatch a large egg.
Oh my.
Take care of your brothers.
I'm rich in that game, Isha.
Guess what? It's just a game, bro. Take
There
care
was-
of your brothers.
There's no piece of fuel here. I think we're cooked.
What?
There's no piece of coal, only like wood.
Yeah, get those food.
I got all the wood, don't worry. Oh, let's hatch the egg. How is he gonna stay with us? How is Mr. Timmy gonna stay with us? Oh my god, he makes us scared. You hear it? You hear him? What?
That is useless.
Ladder's useless? Just throw it
I will
out.
jump into
Okay, we're at half fuel. I think that's enough. Someone's moving the train! How is Timmy gonna stay with us?
It's gonna follow us.
Oh yeah! Stop so he has time. Why is this world kinda slow, bro? Manonggab?
Oh my god, you tried the train.
Manonggab, technically, we have 2 werewolves on the team. Because I'm also a werewolf.
You have a mutant werewolf.
Yeah, you have a mutant. I'm the
grandma picked me up.
Hey, Manonggab. That wolf is mutated and I'm hybrid. Right? I'm a hybrid. Is he leaving him? Are we leaving him? Oh, look, maybe imagine the guys are trying to kill Timmy in the next.
He is down. god.
Of course it turns night when there's nothing needed. What night is this? This thunder only? I don't know. I must sell everything I have.
Money!
Money talks. Where's my silver? Where's my silver? I need to find it. I keep losing things in my sock. I lost my silver, of course. We need to buy coal, Manunggab.
Where's Stevie here?
Grandma always hit me.
Where's Stevie?
He's chasing us. Manunggab, I don't see Timmy's eyes. Manunggab, I don't see Timmy's eyes. I do so much damage. Oh, I need to charge. Yay. There. Okay. I'm dying.
I'll be your backbone. Good armor.
How much does armor cost?
$70.
Oh my god! I just saw a zombie pass out and came alive again. I'm so fast. Come on, why is there no miner helmet? Oh, you just hatched the egg.
I love it.
Hey, yo, pause. I'm gonna buy an infinite ammo from this place.
What did you make it?
You will not do improve the train. Oh, it turned daytime? What happened? It turned daytime?
Yes.
No! My prime is gone!
What?
My prime is gone?
Why did the egg goes fall, bro?
Does it fall and hatch?
No.
No.
There's a button that will hatch it. There's nothing to hatch it but the button.
Someone's attacking me. I think it's the depth I'm trying to pay right now.
Why all this? Oh, there.
How much does medium ammo cost again?
In there.
Oh my god, what just happened? 15?
I just put my eggs in my sack.
You buy coal?
Yes, I bought coal.
Oh, thank god, because I use all my money on ammo.
I didn't big guns.
Why? Oh yeah, you already have an army. Manunggab, alright.
R.I.P. teammate.
Yeah. Where is he? I don't see his
I got my
eyes.
eggs, bro.
Where is
You
it?
remind me where's my eggs.
Remember, I can't pick them up.
Just remind me where's my eggs.
I'm following you so that if you lay an egg, it's fine.
Just remind me.
You do this shit. Huh? I wish I had. Oh, you just laid the egg. You just laid the egg.
Thanks for reminding me that.
Timmy! Yo! It's not that after all. I cannot see anything. Hot zombie. Inside. Oh! I killed one of the zombies. They can I pick that lantern up, bro? Well, I need to buy.
Oh my god! Let's go, Timmy.
It's kind of scary.
Timmy's following me.
Now he's following me.
Timmy, come here, let's go! Don't leave us again, Timmy.
Timmy! Can you fit to the door?
Can you go away? I'll kill Chuck myself. Be a good boy.
The sound is kind of scary when he growls.
There's out!
He's out?
Yes.
Let's go! He will come for... Timmy will be, I thought Timmy was dead. Right? Why do I feel like Timmy got even more buffy? I think I found a nearby gym and then just work out. Can you refill the health of your friends? Can you refill them? It's running away from me. If we have a town, I know Timmy will come.
Remember you made me with your eggs? We're little Timmy's brothers. There. Oh my god, medium egg. Take care of this, please.
Can you sing Big's Brew at Japanese again? How much? How much does the lantern cost? 5. We're gonna get copy. Shut up. We might get copyrighted. Manong, we might get copyrighted. Let's kill them. Manong, how much does the thing cost?
Zombies are scared to spawn you because it's a freaking learning.
Manong, Gab, how much is the lantern cost?
Oh my god, stop rolling, Timmy.
This is working. Remember? We ate the zombies earlier. Oh, it's like POV of Fat Friends tries to go in your house.
To the train.
Why? I have to do something really good.
That's what Timmy. Timmy from Timmy.
Oh my god! No, it's the other Timmy was from Timu. This one is from Transformers. What happened? Right?
Bro mutated.
Yeah. It's Timmy's final form. With the egg. I'm gonna unweld them and then it's gonna lay an egg. My prime, I'm super fast now.
It's yung Timmy now.
Yeah, it's me and Timmy who will
You're not the Timo version now.
Yeah. And hey Timmy, want to be brothers?
You're already.
Yeah, we are cousins. He's a mutated, I'm a hybrid. Anong Gab? He's muted, I'm hybrid.
Yeah.
Stop growling, Timmy! You sound so scary. I know, look at me. I'm a werewolf and I'm not growling. You're mutated. He's trying to get to the train. He's trying to get to the train.
Yeah, cool allies here.
Oh my god! You can have one big egg. It's so scary when Timmy growls.
Later we'll
Why?
Masaya ko sana, bro.
Oh my god, why am I a werewolf? But he's a werewolf, but I'm also faster than him. Werewolf is the best class for me, bro. He's trying his hardest to get into the train. He's trying to get in the train. What does the symbol mean? What does the symbol mean?
above us.
Oh. Is that a big egg? How do you know if it's big? It's big?
It's recorded by so it's the largest names.
What is the picture? What
Now let's leave the
is the point of the pictures?
design.
Yeah. Baby! No, I fell down the train!
Oh, abandoned town. We need that. No, we don't need abandoned.
Oh no! Timmy! Oh, there is abandoned. I fell down!
Stop going in the entrance, bro. Stop.
I'm trying to look at Timmy. He's still way back, bro. Alright, Pete. I thought Timmy died earlier.
Can you look above to? Can you look above to?
Okay. Okay, if you let me above. If you stop the train, I can go on top. The train is moving again.
What? Oh my god.
Stop. I see an egg.
There's no egg there.
I see white things. There's no! It's Timmy's family!
I like it. I like that egg. Where's it? That's me. That's the army I wanted.
For real, right? It's the army you wanted. Where's Timmy?
Timmy's family.
Imagine Timmy meets them. What would Timmy do? Want to read that? It's nighttime, it's not right. What time do you think is the
Shooting the werewolf falling. Ah, what the fuck happened?
It's you. It's the outlook.
I forgot I put the landmine.
Oh, run, Manungab. I think you should run. I think it is your best choice.
I forgot to put the landmine.
I shot a bullet. Please stop reports so I can get on the top. There's a werewolf! Run! They're getting on the train! They're on the window! Oh! Operation failed. No! I fell down. You stop the train for 8 seconds. For 0.5 seconds. Run!
Check the thing.
My eggs! Bro, my eggs!
I thought I lost it for a second.
Oh, where's Timmy? I think Timmy's dead once he gets to those zombies. I think he might sacrifice his life.
My mistake, bro. I forgot I put 2 landmines in there.
Remember last time you sacrificed yourself for the Nikola Tesla boss?
Yes. I mean, the sacrifice in the people.
Yeah. I was even recording. It will be forgotten.
Go fuel, yay!
What?
Go fuel.
There was coal ore last time. Oh, we're cooked. Where are we gonna get fuel?
Go ahead and find fuel now. Well, take care of my eggs.
How about the thing that's supposed to have to kill it and then we use it as fuel?
Nah. We ain't doing that.
That's fine because it's nighttime. I'm completely better at nighttime.
Oh, outpost right there. I have a lot of money though. Look.
You have cash?
Yeah.
Oh, there.
Go to the train.
Magaling Fatini Gabini. What?
Can you remind me where my egg is?
Your eggs are in between.
If I had the egg! Look at it up.
Can I suck it up? Can I suck your eggs?
No.
Sounds kinda weird when I say eggs. Stop saying eggs, bro.
Babies, okay.
Oh my god, it's even weirder.
Don't destroy your allies.
3, 2, 1. You lay the egg. You lay the egg.
Where's it?
I don't know.
It's sitting here.
Yeah, cause I lied.
Oh.
This is the first time I had no money, bro.
Oh, yeah, it's a head.
It's my time. It's my time.
Dayan, can you...
It feels good doing this.
Dayan, can you put the call to the train because you're fast now?
Oh yes. I'm still kind of slow. Oh wait, I'm fast. Look, I'm so fast.
Imagine it's me.
I have snake oil in my inventory right now. It's scary. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. I'll get to you when I put the thingy. Okay, I'm gonna go to you. That's a long walk. It's still at 20,000 kilometers. You laid the egg, I heard it.
I like to just hatch next.
Huh?
I like to just spawn next to me. By the way, don't look at the trading post.
I'm already at the trading post. What are you doing?
Stop.
If my mom sees this video, we're gonna get cooked, you know? My mom knows what that is. We're not doing that. I want to kill one of our teammates one more time. Can I kill one more teammate? Too late. I already killed it.
Then jump on him. Jump on the dumb teammate.
Wait, remember we do this in that other game? This game, we used to do this when you kill a thing. What game
Oh
was
yeah.
Fateless?
Yes.
Oh dang. I made them do a backflip. We do this in Fateless when you kill someone, right?
Yes.
No, I'm weak now.
Oh my god. Look at the eggs.
Everything is so cooked next town. Where's Timmy? I think, remember the zombie town from last time?
Yes.
I think he sacrificed himself. R.I.P. Timmy in the comments!
I
R.I.P.
used my banjo to wake up everyone in the town.
Guys, everyone in the comments, R.I.P. to Timmy, bro. R.I.P. to Timmy 2.0. At least you got one werewolf in the team.
Yeah, let's go now.
At least we have one werewolf in the team.
Yep. You take care of my eggs, bro.
Oh, okay. I'll see if you laid. Stop! Help! 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 I wish my chair was here. No one moving me. I fell down, of course. Good boy. Get on the back.
You need to watch my eggs, bro. Because those are our allies for the next town.
Or our armies. Imagine we hatch a crocodile. You know what's the good thing about crocodiles? He's fast, does a lot of damage sa ally, and also fit in the train. Right? Oh, perfect timing.
Be quiet, bro. It's a freaking check in the front. I need to get the egg.
I want to steal from the church again.
I'm stealing from the church. Wake everybody up with a freaking dynamite zombie.
I'm gonna shoot this. Pow!
What is it? No! Don't put me with these eggs.
I have holy water. Oh, I need a little bit of sand.
Okay, can you get the two
To what?
move the train?
Can I hit one zombie?
Move the train.
What happens if I kill one zombie?
I have a lot of eggs. I have like 13 pieces of egg.
What happens if I hit one zombie? Will it all wake up?
The new ones will come and the newest will also will come.
It's like a virus. Keep spreading. You have 2 more eggs.
Will you pick it up? Yes.
I see the guy that owns the bank. The guy that owns the bank is asleep or something. We're gonna wait for night time to show my prime. Okay? Wait for my time. For my prime. This is acid does it, right? Perfect time to make this sound. You use the bonds as fuel.
No!
Why did you use bonds as fuel? Oh come on! This is the worst timing ever. Look,
We're gonna have time to finish my egg.
the time changes every 1 minute, right?
Yes, and yeah, but I have money.
Oh, nice army. I think you still have 2 more eggs. Actually, let's save that later.
No, we're gonna use all of this.
I want to hit this zombie so bad.
Because this is a huge time.
I want
We're gonna use all of our power.
to wake this zombie up. 3,
No, not yet.
2.
I didn't even do it yet. I'm not even finished yet.
Yeah, it's not even night time. Oh, cool. There's collisions with the gun. This is the best collisions ever. Look at the collisions.
Are you ready to go? Are you faster?
Indeed.
Dumbass!
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come here, zombies! Come get me! Evan will help us! Yes! They're helping me, the zombies that are trying to attack me are getting killed by the wolves. Get out! Is the miner alive? I killed it. Ah! I saw a zombie! Help me! I just saw a zombie fall from the sky.
Oh my god, everything is good. Woo! We survived, bro. We cleared the town.
There's more zombies.
Oh yeah. Come on, guys.
See you in the afterlife! See you in the afterlife! See you in the afterlife, buddy! Triple kill!
So bad.
Is it turning day? Yes! Where's the bank guy?
I see it. Got it.
No, the wolves are nearly dead. A wolf just died. A lot of them died, Manunggab. A lot of werewolves just died.
It's the 146.
What?
Yes.
Yes, it's nighttime.
It is raining.
There's two banks next to each other. Where's the other bank guy?
We got this thing.
Yeah, I think it's this. Is it us?
You have outlaws, bro.
What are those sounds? There's still alive zombies.
Look at our bodyguards now. Yeah, they have guns.
Look, they're restraining the zombies. Look, they caught the zombies. I'll take this one. This one's mine.
This is one. This is mine. You enter in the code. Get your own, bro.
I don't even have my code. I don't even know what my code is. Where is he? I will murder him and his entire family. Oh wait, we already murdered his family.
And you opened mine. The last code was wrong.
There's one zombie alive. Okay.
Yes, I opened my own bank.
Where is mine? Do you have a horse? We can do the horse glitch.
Oh no. I should kill my auto got. Oh, that's a middle egg. That's the middle egg, bro.
There's one more zombie alive. I want to kill him. You're in the afterlife.
I just heard that.
You heard that?
Yes. Okay, we need more eggs now. Since we got loot.
It's weird when you say eggs.
Since we got loot, we don't need more money.
I need money. I'm broke. You know I'm broke, right, Manunggab?
Yes, I know.
Oh, nice. A moto. And snake oil.
Oh, we have bankos, it's here!
Oh, thanks. Turn the other bank. Thank God you found it. Where is it? Did you store it?
No, it's outside. Next to, almost near to the tree. Just don't get my loot. This is my precious loot.
Okay, why didn't you suck it?
It's too much space.
Why is there one more zombie alive?
They didn't clear it enough. Because my army was too
Wait, Manunggab, I think I can heal my friends with this. Gingang. You know that ginga guli thing?
Yes.
Whoop.
Oh, outlaws! Free money.
Afterlife.
You can tell me out.
You are the smartest person alive. Let's kill the outlaws. He turned into a zombie.
Kill me.
That was brutal. This game is so brutal.
I'm watching the eggs now.
Where Where's the bank code for the other one? Oh, there.
Bro, I didn't even have a gun. I only cleared the town with my own.
Okay, found it.
Ngayon, I cleared the town with your own and saved your life. You know why? That's my bank.
Where's mine?
Right there! It's right there in front of you, bro.
Where's my bank code?
Behind you, you left it.
I wish I can weld this in the wall, bro.
Yeah. Nothing you can't. No one takes my loot.
Can I take it?
Ayun. Basta. Imagine we got a large egg and we come back like alive.
I don't think it's gonna come back alive. Oh my god, of course it's so dark.
I'll get the weapon. Here, bro.
Can you let it be dark there so I can get the bones? It's 3. Okay.
Oh, I made one egg.
No, I just dropped something.
I made one egg. Oh, my God, stop!
You laid 2 eggs. Anong gab? I can make you lay a lot of eggs. You need to turn backwards. Abalacadabra.
Oh my God! Oh, free money!
Hey! You laid the egg.
I really got the egg. My army cleared the town.
Where's-
I'm in a city.
Can I take one outlaw from you? Come on, I only got 2 outlaws.
Oh, yep.
I'm
No
gonna,
fuel, of course.
can I sell horses, please?
No, only
I'm gonna take 1 outlaw from you because I only have 2 and you have 4.
okay.
Yeah, because I have 2, you have 4. If I take 1, we both have 3.
Okay. Hey, you took 2.
That was 1.
Are those my allies? Who are these guys?
Okay.
Oh, it's my wife of guts. And his family.
Okay, where'd your outlaws back?
There's some fuel, bro.
Fuel?
No.
Yep.
They're delicious and fuel.
There's a house over there.
Get some zombies at least.
I see an egg
Where? Okay.
next to the area. I'm super fast.
Okay, Brett, fuel now.
I'm gonna go to that house
Where's the egg?
next to the area with the dead zombie. The entrance area. It's color green. Yeah. Did they buff the darkness in this game or something?
Oh, no.
Right? Yep. More zombies to kill.
See no zombies.
That even before you wake up.
Oh, another medium egg. I like medium eggs now.
I like acid air. I found the acid barrel.
That's nothing.
Yeah. I was expecting at least 1 coal. Okay, can you drive to me now?
What?
Can you drive to me?
Where are you?
I moored you first.
Let me put my...
Is this still acid town? Manong Gab, look. Manong Gab, it's been 59 minutes. It's been 1 hour. It's been 1 hour, bro. It's been an hour. Yay!
I don't think you're first. Oh.
I'm first. Wait for me. Ah! Help! Oh, I didn't fall down. Oh, fine, I'm not moving. Let's stop there for some coal.
No, we already have half fuel.
That's not really good. Okay, yeah, that's enough. That's enough. Let's kill those horses. I have a banjo.
Okay.
I have low health.
No.
I wish I had miner class so I can mine out coal ore.
Can you spot a barn?
A barn?
Yes.
Okay. Let's drive, bro. What are you doing?
Looking for a barn? I will pop in 1, 2, 3.
Wait, where is it? I lost it!
Rose damage.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, my egg popped now.
Can you stop moving?
We're almost at outpost, bro. No,
We're still far away.
Can you Oh, so we can
There's a small egg. There's a green picture on it. We have jewelry, Manunggab.
Yeah.
I have to sell my sheriff ones first.
Yeah, me too.
Make 35 bucks. It's the selling area. Where is it? Oh, there it is. It's right next to the sheriff. We're gonna be so rich. I have one zombie outlaw.
It's an acid outlaw, bro.
How do you get the acid outlaw when it rains acid?
Yes.
I thought it was a zombie one.
The perfect one, look.
I have like the close money to you. Wait, what's your money? 360!
No scope.
It's been 1 minute and it's been 1 hour and 2 minutes, bro. And we have to stock up on coal, bro.
Yeah.
We've been losing coal since the start of the game, right?
Yeah.
Why is there still no miner helmet?
I bought it.
Can I borrow it? I'm the one who normally explores. Thank you. Thank you. Want my banjo?
I don't have a banjo either.
Time to buy even more ammo.
I don't need ammo.
I lost a lot of ammo in that. I lost a lot of ammo in that town, or I guess. Ano, Gab? I lost a lot of ammo in that town, or I should say war. Right?
Yeah.
That was absolute destruction. Every single town we go in, it's absolute destruction, right?
Yeah. I call myself Visionaries. We are Visionaries, bro.
What's a visionaire?
We always post them videos.
I don't post every day, you know. You don't even post videos. You don't even record. Perfect ammo. It's the house in front of us. Is there anything in the generals?
We have a lot of medium egg, bro. We're stuck now. We're
Manunggab,
getting more powerful.
I think I should buy a pickaxe. You know why? Because I normally see a coal ore.
Yeah, we need coal ores, bro. We're going now. I don't need something like
Is this all the eggs we have? Is that we have a lot?
yeah, I know. Yeah, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 medium eggs and 1 small.
One small.
Let's go now, bro. That's worthless.
I'm just gonna store. This is a small egg. No.
Oh my god.
That's a medium egg. Oh my god, it's half in the wall. It's my time to shine. Manong Gab, I don't think we've seen Timmy in a long time. I think he's dead.
Yeah. He's now money.
Oh no. I think we should run, Manong Gab. I'll tell you when you lay an egg, okay?
Imagine in the next one we hatch two freaking Timmy's McDonald's. Two freaking McDonald's emerge.
Oh my god! What's happening? The werewolves is
Sila pala.
There's another town. Should we go to that town?
Is it time to shine? Should be.
It's night time. I don't think we should go there. We should not go here. There's a lot of werewolves behind us.
What the freak?
There's two werewolves.
Yeah, we still have a lot of money.
We're gonna use the thing on Nicola or Nicholas. We're not gonna. I don't think we should fight Nicola.
Spot a barn, man. There's no barn. Oh my god! We just crashed into the move that spawned.
Oh, you just laid the egg.
What egg is it? Let me see.
It's a dead guy. Where is it? I saw a dead guy. Where is it? The dead guy. He didn't hatch any egg. I just unstored the dead guy I stored earlier.
Stop tripping.
It welded, right?
Yes, it's up and
Oh!
When you go on the roof, you tap it down. You see it. Put the white thing on the egg. What do you mean? The middle, the white thing. In the egg. There's meat in the egg. Another medium egg. Look, a lot of medium eggs on it.
How is there still wolves?
Cousin.
We're not doing that!
Ilang army bro. How about the army versus army?
Look, there's already wolves chasing us from the castle. Of course. Yeah. Want to send in the army? Want to send the army to
No,
Purple?
bro, no. No. You can do it by yourself. I'll send one medium. I'll send two.